Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block scam calls automatically. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, first of all, go to your settings on your phone. Let's go ahead, go back from the section. From the section, go to search bar, type in phone right over here and tap on it. Once you have done that, this is how it's gonna look like. And here in this section, what you need to do, you need to simply go ahead, scroll down, and you need to tap on silence. Simply toggle on silence unknown caller, and unknown callers is simply need to do toggle on unknown callers as well. This will simply go ahead, filter it, and missed calls and voicemails from unknown number will be removed as well if there has been any. Once you turn on the silence unknown caller, what it will do is it will simply go ahead, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and serious suggestions. Now, the voicemails will be simply removed once you turn on the unknown callers. If you do those two things, then it will simply go ahead, remove the spam calls. Right, that's what you can do, and that will simply go ahead, prevent you from getting any scam calls, and it will simply block all of the unknown number calls entirely as well. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.